time to get down to business. Welcome to The Long and Short. Maestro here. Thanks for tuning in. Every day on this channel, we try to make you a better crypto trader by showing you smart money, price action trading techniques. And today, we're going to set up the demo account so that we can do some live trading, show you guys examples of how we execute in the market from start to finish. All right, so this is going to be a pretty short process. And if you have never set up an account on Tradingview, we're going to show you how to do that so that you can set up a demo account as well and practice along with us in the market. The easiest way to learn how to trade this game is by example. As we go through our methods and show examples of how we do things, you'll be able to follow along with us if you also have a demo account and set this up the same way. Okay, so if you've never been on Tradingview before, the easiest way to get there is to go to Google, okay, or just type in the actual URL, but I'll go ahead and type it into Google so that you guys can sort of follow along on the same path. All right, now you want to go ahead and click on this website here, the first one that pops up. Make sure you don't click on any ads. You want to go to the actual Tradingview site. Once you do get to the site, you are going to see sort of a home page. You want to go ahead and set up a free account. All right. You do not have to have a paid account or upgraded plan like I do. I was at some point using certain indicators, things of that nature, and I want to see the chart in a lot of different ways. But at this point, you know, a free account is probably the best way to go. So ultimately, you don't need a ton of indicators on your charts with the way that we are going to be explaining things and demonstrating things. All right. All you're going to really need to do is learn how to draw the same charts that we're drawing. And we're going to give you plenty of examples of that. All right. So once you set up an account, go ahead and get into your account and you want to go into the charts. Okay. So this is my actual account. What you want to do is pull up this little panel at the bottom here. Okay. And you'll see a little blue tab that says trading panel. Now on trading panel, you can connect to different brokers. So if you are actually trading, you can trade directly from Tradingview. But what we're going to do for this particular instance is set up a paper trading account. Okay. Now I already have one set up. When you first set up your account, you'll go ahead and connect to paper trading. This is also free. So you'll be able to connect sort of a mock account to what you're seeing on the chart. All right. Now, as you can see, we do have some account history here for us to go through. And what we're going to do today is erase all of this. All right. Now, this win percentage is around over 90%, I would have to say. We only have one loss out of around 12 or 13 trades. But what we're going to do today is sort of erase the record, okay, and start fresh, because in order to start at an even playing field, we want to start fresh. So what we're going to do is sort of reset our account, okay, and we can reset it to any number. Whenever you go into a demo account, they will give you $100,000 to start with, but we don't really think that's realistic for most people who are going to be trading. Also, if you start with a smaller amount, it does make it less intriguing, right? So we want to start somewhere in the middle, not necessarily 100,000, but not anything lower than say 10,000. So I think a safe place for us to start is maybe somewhere around 25,000. Okay, now this number itself, 25,000, is a number that most people don't have, but that's not really the intention and the point of us setting up the demo account. You can set up whatever monetary value you want. If you want $1 million, you can start with that. Okay, it doesn't really matter. What we want to show people is how we're going to actually double this 25,000. Now, we will be breaking some of our normal trading rules when it comes down to this. Okay, so we'll reset the balance to 25,000, wipe out the old account. Now we're all set. Okay, when it comes to our rules, typically we're not trading every day as live money traders. Okay, so in my live account, I'm not trading every day. I'm waiting for specific opportunities to happen at specific times of the week before I jump in. But with the demo account, I have the liberty, since it's not real money, I can sort of take a lot more risk. I can try things. I can be a lot more aggressive. And with that aggressiveness does come a bit more risk. All right. So not going to say that we're going to be perfect, right? The 90% plus win percentage that I just showed you guys, that was just being very picky and selective in when I was getting in, when I was getting out in regards to price action. With this demo account, we're going to be a bit more aggressive, and a bit of that is for entertainment's sake. A bit of that is for just testing's sake. And being that we're working from a demo account, it's going to allow us to demonstrate things on a deeper level when it comes to what we're trying to teach you guys. Okay, so the account is set at 25,000. We probably won't use any more than, say, around 10% just for, I guess, risk's sake. We won't use any more than 10% of the account, right? So that's around 2,500 for any trade that we're going to take. We're going to try to turn 25,000 into 50,000. Okay. That's the first challenge. Once we get past that, we're going to try to turn the 50 into 100. And we're going to build this sort of in a playlist type of way so that you can follow along with us as we go through this journey. Not every day is going to be perfect. Not every day is going to be bad. We feel like we have the skills to get this done. So along with this will come lessons. Along with this will come teachings. But this is the first step. So if you haven't set up a paper trading account in Tradingview, I would recommend that you do. This is the easiest way for you to figure out your own emotions and the way that you're going to react to price action when you actually get into a trade. This is the easiest way for you to actually get hands-on practice with the market, watching price action, understanding how it moves, and knowing when to take your shots in the market. Okay, so lots of good information that will come from this, we're pretty sure. And this is not for our sake. We've done this a few different times already, just building demo accounts up. What we're trying to do is do this for your sake so that you can understand on a deeper level what's actually happening in the market, and also, you know, practice. And that's what this is really all about. Okay, guys? So this is the start of it. Wish me luck. But I'm pretty sure and pretty confident that we're going to turn this 25 into 50, and the journey starts now. So we're going to look at this with fresh eyes tomorrow. And when we come to you tomorrow in the video, we will probably be in a trade depending on what's happening and what we see there. All right. But we're going to be aggressive. We're going to take shots. We're going to do things that we normally wouldn't do for testing sake and just for, you know, trying to make it happen. That's really what it's all about here, guys, and us showing you how to make it happen. So it's your boy Maestro. Thanks for tuning in. Next video should be pretty interesting, you know, seeing what's going on in the market right now. Prices are down, and we're going to look to take a long here relatively soon once price starts to find a bottom. That's what we're starting to think here, right? Because price is dipping pretty aggressively. You have some imbalances to the top. Nice little even level set of liquidity here. So we're thinking that price may rise, okay? We may miss some of it, starting to get a little late at night, but yeah, we may hang around in the market just to see what's going on here, okay, guys? So look forward to the next video. We will probably be in a trade, but this is the first step. So it's your boy Maestro. Salute. We up out of here. Peace. Let's get to it.